Hey everyone, my name is Bola Shokunbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance, and I'm also the author of the book Grow Your Money. Welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So cryptocurrency is all the rage these days. Everyone is talking about it. It seems like the next hot investment to jump on. However, before you start investing in cryptocurrency, there are some key things you need to know, and I'm going to cover them in this video. So let's get into it. So what is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrency is basically digital or virtual money, and it has no ties to traditional financial institutions, banking, or currency systems. And this means that transfers can be made between individuals without the need of any intermediaries, financial middlemen, or anything like that. So it's basically its own unrestricted type of money. And today, cryptocurrency is also a form of payment that can be used to purchase goods and services. And so it's becoming increasingly more popular as a mode of payment for many people. So you can basically trade real currency for cryptocurrency and use it to purchase goods and services, or use your cryptocurrency as an investment. And today there are many different types of cryptocurrency. There are thousands of them, but three of the most popular ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So now that we know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about some of the risks involved in investing in cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency can be very high risk. And this is because right now, cryptocurrency is a very volatile and speculative investment that's tied to supply and demand. And it is possible that it stabilizes in the future, but think about cryptocurrency today very much like the gold rush of the past. And while high risk investments generate high returns, we've all seen the amazing cryptocurrency returns that people have been making in the media. It's also very important to understand that high risk means high risk. And that also means that the flip side of high returns is that you can lose a lot of money. So should all of your long-term investments be in cryptocurrency? I personally wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend having good broad diversification. And as it relates to high risk, you also want to make sure that you understand what you're putting your money into, which means taking time out to research the types of cryptocurrency you're putting your money into and how it has trended in the past. Also, one thing to keep in mind is that cryptocurrencies are prone to hacking even with high levels of security. And this is because your cryptocurrency is stored in online ledgers, and anything that's online can be prone to hacking. And you can just look up Bitcoin. They have over 40, as of the last time I checked, over 40 high profile hacking attempts on their platform. Also, your cryptocurrency, when you purchase it, is stored in a digital wallet. And so many times people lose access to the digital wallets and lock themselves out of their investments. And again, this is something that has trended in the news very often, where an investor who has millions in cryptocurrency loses their digital wallet or locks themselves out of the digital wallet. And again, this is just very high risk. So I would personally say that when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, you want to be aware that it is high risk and adjust your risk tolerance accordingly, but still have broad diversification in other investments. That way you don't have all of your eggs in one cryptocurrency basket. Another thing to keep in mind is that not all cryptocurrency is the same. And you can think about it in the sense that not all currency is the same. So for example, the US dollar is different or has a different value than the British pound, than the Chinese yen, and et cetera, right? So cryptocurrencies also vary in similar ways as well. And when you think about currency, we're thinking also about buying power, which can differ, value, which can differ, inflation, supply and demand, and et cetera. These are all different things that can affect a currency. And this, again, from a cryptocurrency perspective, are also all different things that can affect a specific type of cryptocurrency. So when you're buying cryptocurrency, it's important that you do your research to determine which ones you want to buy. Believe it or not, of the thousands of cryptocurrency that exist, some of them actually have no value and no purpose. And the only reason why they're being sold is because someone out there is willing to buy them. So if you're thinking of investing in cryptocurrency and you are new to it, as opposed to exploring the lesser unknowns that you have no idea about their value or why they even exist, stick to the top popular ones. And again, do this at discretion, do your research, and understand that there is risk involved. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, I'd love for you to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tell all your girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance. And then follow us on Instagram at Clever Girl Finance. We have a great time engaging over there. We also have over 30 plus completely free courses, including an investing course bundle to help you as you work on achieving your financial goals. Okay, let's get back to the video. So a question I get asked pretty often is, where is the best place to store my cryptocurrency if I buy it? So when you invest traditionally in stocks or bonds or funds, those assets are stored in a brokerage account with your financial institution. When it comes to cryptocurrency, however, your cryptocurrency is stored in a digital wallet. And this is a secure digital wallet that you can use for sending or adding cryptocurrency into your account. One thing that's really important about digital wallets is that they need to be backed up often, and they need to be kept secure. And this is because if you happen to lose access to your wallet, it can be a nightmare to recover. So it's best to use a trusted, secure digital wallet provider, which we're going to talk about next. So in order to have a digital wallet, you need to invest in cryptocurrency. So how do you invest in cryptocurrency? Well, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency through something called a cryptocurrency exchange, and there are several cryptocurrency exchanges that exist. So for example, Coinbase, eToro, Binance, and BlockFi are examples of popular cryptocurrency exchanges where you can purchase cryptocurrency and establish a digital wallet. Some of these platforms also allow you to use your PayPal account to purchase cryptocurrency, and PayPal even now recently just started offering the option for you to buy cryptocurrency within your PayPal account. Bitcoin also has ATMs where you can use cash or your card to purchase cryptocurrency from their cryptocurrency exchange directly from this ATM kiosk. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with each of these platforms when it comes to buying or selling cryptocurrency, and it really depends on the particular platform. So you want to make sure you do your research when it comes to that as well. So should you invest in cryptocurrency? This is a personal choice. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. And over the long term, it may actually have some really, really big potential. However, like I mentioned earlier, I don't suggest putting all of your investment assets into cryptocurrency, and you want to make sure that you have broad diversification. So continue to invest in funds and bonds and stocks, and maybe add on some cryptocurrency, and make sure that you truly understand your risk tolerance and what will cause you not to sleep at night. So is 50% of your portfolio too much to have in cryptocurrency? That's a personal question you want to be able to answer. For me personally, it is too much, but for you, it might not be. And so again, really get clear on your risk tolerance, do your research, and make sure that when you're investing in cryptocurrency, that you're okay losing that money and you're okay watching the wild swings in the market for this very new, highly volatile type of investment. So do you invest in cryptocurrency? I would love to know why you do, why you don't. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And if you have, please like and subscribe. Tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance. Visit clevergirlfinance.com to access our free courses and worksheets, our amazing blog, our podcast, and be sure to follow us on Instagram at Clever Girl Finance. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will talk to you soon.